Hi everyone! Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a beaded tassel. This is not your stereotypical way, but a way that I'm just going to show you using a giant bead and some other beads, and I'm going to be making this detachable from my little tabard that I'm making over there. Don't mind the mess. I am in a crafting craze right now, so let's go ahead and get into it. If you're new to my channel, hi and welcome. My name is Celeste Orchid. I have been cosplaying crafting since forever. I have been cosplaying since 2005, won numerous awards, and if you want to know what they are, leave a comment asking what they are so I know, so I don't waste some time, and we can get straight into the tutorial. If you like any of this content, make sure to click a thumbs up so I know I'm doing a good job. Thanks! For this tutorial, you'll need some beads. I'm using seed beads as my tassel part, and you can use different sizes, different thicknesses, different colors. You'll definitely need some thread along with a beading needle. Like, definitely use a beading needle for this project. A big base bead so it holds your tassels together. I'm going to be using this charm so that it is where my beads are connected to. And optional is some other kind of different sizes of beads for your tassels. I want to try to keep it uniform, and you'll see what I'm going to be doing with it. Sorry, my camera's like not focusing and I don't know why. To begin, make sure you have a really long piece of thread on your needle, and we're going to string your first strand of beads on it. So the pattern for my tassel is going to be one little pearl, one purple pearl, one little pearl, and then 25 seed beads. Then I'm going to sew it through this and then loop it around this little jump ring. Excuse me, I didn't mean to burp. This little jump ring. So it will look like. So it's going to look like this. I actually tried doing it around the jump ring and the jump ring slipped through, so the string didn't work. So what I did was I created 10 little beads on the top that will go through the bottom, and then we repeat the process for making the tassel. So now here comes the long part. So we just rebeaded the tassel part. We're going to go back into all the other beads starting at the purple bead like so. Okay, this is really hard to do with one hand. So then we just go all the way through and then go back through the 10 beads up here and then back down the middle bead here so that we could start our next tassel and then bead 25. Yeah, so then we just repeat the process. Okay, so now that we have all of these little tentacle babies down here, we're going to finish it off by stringing back in to the purple. Just showing you guys up close that we're going into all of the beads except for the bottom one. It's going to act as our anchor. Pull it through. Now I didn't go through all of them just to show you it's an anchor. And now I'm going to go through the rest of them into the giant bead up top. Sorry, I'm a bit sniffly. Now, there's quite a bit of tension here because of all the beads, but that's okay. And string. So now I'm going to pull through. There it is. I don't really need to go through this part, so instead I'm going to just go around the base and make a knot. Okay, I'm going to make a knot and keep it here at the top of the 10 beads to kind of secure it. And then I'm going to pull tight, making sure that it creates the knot at the top around the beads. And I'm going to do it again using my needle as a guide. I made a loop, sewed my needle through that loop. And I'm going to do this about 5 times to make sure that it's really secure. You can see I'm pulling nice and tight. And if you want, I know that's only like 3 times. I'm confident in it. And now, just to make sure that I hide my string, I'm going to put it back through this giant purple bead, pulling it down. And then I'm going to cut it. Where are some snippies? So here it is. I have my snippies here. I'm going to snip it there. That is a beaded tassel. It's kind of like a squid. Isn't that fun? You could make squids if you feel like it. And that is that. I'm going to take my other piece that I originally started. I'm going to open it and attach it in to this little jump ring. And then, okay, if it wants to go in, it's gonna go in. I don't think it wants to go in. Well, I guess I'm gonna have to put 2 jump rings. But you can see it's very versatile. You could use this for anything. I'm using this for my table runner, so it has a little bit more oomph, and it's a little bit more stylish. I like that. Okay, I have a secondary jump ring here that I'm just going to thread through the top little hole here. So here is my jump ring attached to this piece, and then I'm going to put it through this little circle part. There you go, like this. And now I'm going to close it using two of my pliers. I wish I was prepared for this. Whoop. So have 2 pliers handy. You don't want to use your nail because your nail bed will actually bend and then you'll get cracks in your nails, and that's not fun. Ta-da! That is a finished tassel. Woo! Isn't that fun? Ta-da! And that is the finished, like, little tassel that I created. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial. And if you did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe if you're new and you enjoyed it. And let me see if you guys make anything by tagging me if you use this tutorial. All right, remember to stay inspired and be creative. I'll see you in another video. Bye!